Today is Sunday. I am off of work. I am in rare form. I am going to a dance class in DC today, and I'm leaving for that in about 20 minutes, and then I'm probably going to go to Six Flags later on. So we got a lot going on today, and I'm here for it. Okay, so I am now in DC, halfway lost. First of all, it's too hot for this jacket. Second, I love being stared at. First of all, it's like kind of too hot for this jacket, and I'm really freaking nervous. It's been a long time since I've suffered from feeling like a social anxiety, and I'm definitely 110% there right now. Like, whew. I'm definitely, like, you know, here for the anxiety attack today. Ow. But yeah, I'm about to walk into the dance studio. I just hopped out the lift. I just hopped out the studio, jumped in the coupe, Big Dipper on top of the roof. Phone's dying. Yay. I really don't know my way around DC that well, even though I live so close to it. So I really shouldn't let my phone die, but you know me, you know I'm gonna run my battery out, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into class and sign up and pay for this class and all that. I need the cars to stop so I can go. I am here 20 minutes early though, so maybe I'll have time to charge my phone and relax and not have an anxiety attack. This car's waiting for me to move. Oh, it just sounds like a dance studio. Oh, so nostalgic. All right, so I just left class. RIP to my thighs. It was really nice knowing you. It was fun while it lasted. They don't exist anymore. Mr. Vincent Williams has absolutely demolished my thighs and I can't breathe. I haven't danced, been to a studio, anything like that in a year now, and I'm literally going to die. I haven't danced in a year, so I knew this was gonna be hard, but even my teacher knew he was crazy. Like, we warmed up so hard, and for so much of the class, he was like, I know what y'all thinking. Y'all thinking this man is crazy. In the back of my mind, I'm like, are you okay? I'm so stressed out, but not really. It was really nice. So now you're gonna think I'm crazy, but I'm literally on my way to, okay, well, I'm walking to see if oh my God, there's a TJ Maxx. I'm gonna spend all my money, but I'm walking to see if I can find anything to eat, but I'm walking in the direction of a McDonald's. I know, and he was just telling us, like, you know, what you eat, what you are, what you eat, how you eat is how your body's gonna perform. And he was like, if you've been eating salads all week, like, you're gonna feel different than the person that's been eating cheeseburgers. And I was like, I'm the person that's been eating cheeseburgers. That's me. There's a TJ Maxx across the street, so I'm gonna go spend all my money. Ooh, and a Neiman Marcus. So there wasn't anything really good in TJ Maxx, but let me wipe this off. There wasn't anything worth going broke over in TJ Maxx, but I'm in this really cool, like, underground mall. Like, go off, DC. Always find my way back home. This is gonna be, like, laughable to even say, but that McDonald's had awful service. I know you're thinking, like, oh my God, they all do, but still. I'm, like, obviously the only person who's here for the first time, because I'm the only person, like, amazed. This is, like, an underground mall. Like, cool. This is the wackest TJ Maxx ever, and you would think it's good because of the location, but nope. and I end up in Marshalls now instead of TJ Maxx. So yay. I really could use some Epsom salt though, because after that class, my body is through, guys. Seriously, I'm like totally through. Just got home from dance class and I feel like I'm freaking dead. But my family might be going to Six Flags. I want to take a little shower and then you can come in. I want to take a little shower and then start setting up my bullet journal for next month, because I'm really excited for next month. I'm going to see my fiance. Oh, look at him in the background over here. He is in the military and he's in basic training right now, so I'm going to go see him for his graduation and spend the week down there. And it's just going to be so much magic fun. I can't wait. So yeah. And then I'm going to edit. I don't know if I said that already. No, I didn't. And then I have 3 videos to edit. Whoop, whoop. Ow. Bro, I'm vlogging. Shut up. Look at this mess I have. I just came home and just threw everything on my bed. So ugly. I'm going to start editing. Oh. I'm going to start editing while I'm waiting for my other phone to charge. When my other phone is charged, then I'm going to edit and listen to music. Ooh la la. Look how cute my case is. Oh, while I'm doing this, so let's chat. Yeah, so class was like really hard. It was from 12 to 1:30, and literally from 12 to 1 we were just conditioning and stretching, and I was like, because I hadn't danced or stretched in a year, I was like not here for it. I couldn't even deal. And like the instructor was super tough, but he was really nice and like really sweet and like encouraging and motivating. He was really cool. So yeah, that was cool. And I went after, you guys saw I had McDonald's after class and I felt so bad. I was like, why am I doing this to my body? My body's like so confused. My body's like, what do you want from me? I literally am on camera like with my hair just straight up not done. I don't care. I'm busy. I'm too busy to care. Today is like, so, I am so not glam today. You will never be glamour.
Stepped off a rodeo drive like a goddamn supermodel. I will never look like that.
True. You'll never be glamour.
Bruh. Ooh, thumbnail. So, because you know, Paul's in basic, so he doesn't know what's going on in pop culture. So when I write him, I fill him in so that when he comes back from like basic, he doesn't feel like he missed out on like everything. And I've made a playlist of music for him so that when he comes out, it's like all the new music that's releasing while he's there, so that when he comes out, I can give him a crash course in pop culture. We both like are really into like new music, and like, I mean, I guess everybody is, but like we're really into like you know, we keep up with the trends in the music. So he's gonna feel like so freaking out of touch when he comes back from basics. So I got it. I don't remember how to use it. Oh. All right, now I'm gonna start editing. I've just finished editing my Sephora story time. Y'all, I'm dead. I'm trying not to take a nap though, because I feel really productive. I feel like I can get everything I need to get done today. But yeah, I can't even think. I finally edited this video. It's my working at Sephora story time, and it's legit. Like legit. How long? Let's see. 26 minutes. What the heck? What did I talk about for 26 minutes? But it came out really good and funny. I'm glad we all get to have a laugh at my pain. Now I'm going to set it to upload, and it's going to be uploading for a minute because it's such a long video. I know it's going to be uploading for like hours. Last time I posted like a 20-minute video, I uploaded for like 3 hours, but you gotta pay the price to do business. Is that how that saying goes, or no? I'm going to write a letter to Paul today. I'm gonna write a letter, do some bullet journaling, but right now I need to just lay down for a minute. I know I said I wasn't gonna take a nap, but I just need to lay down for a minute. All right, while that video upload, I have to wait for that one to finish uploading before I can edit the next one, because now I have 2 more left to upload. So I'm getting my bullet journal for next month together, and I'm watching Naturally Sunny. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. And yeah, now it's a bullet journal time. I'm getting everything done today. I'm so excited about it. Bullet journaling for June. I'm gonna give you guys a little flip through, but I'm not like in love with it. But I mean I always rush through them, so it's like obviously the more time you spend the better it's gonna look, but I mean, you know, it gets the job done. June is actually my birthday month, the 28th. I'm a Cancer. Comment your zodiac sign down below. The cover page, my monthly to-do list, and my habit trackers. I know it's really messy, whatever. My monthly spread. I'm literally a 4-year-old. My YouTube video ideas and my expenses for this month. I don't know. I wish I had the patience to like bullet journal like really neat and nice, but I really just don't. That's something that I'm working on, is having more patience. So hopefully by the end of this year, no, not hopefully, I'm gonna speak it into existence. By the end of this year, I'll have the patience to do every single bullet journal month like really beautiful and gorgeous. My March and my April were pretty good. I'll show you guys those. This one was March, and March wasn't fancy, but like at least March was neat, you know what I mean? Like March was really neat. And then we get to April, and April, this cover page took me 2 hours too. I literally did it while Paul was like falling asleep and tired and dying, and I was like, I just went over just to hang out with him and like, you know, help him if he needed anything, because he was really sick. And this took 2 hours, and then I got all messy. But yeah, I really like, see, and then look, these are so messy because I rushed through these. So it's not that I can't be like, you know, all nice and pretty, because look how pretty this is. And even like this month, like look at my what's this? This is for May. Like all my cover pages are nice. And then you get into like, look how pretty. And then things are just wonky when you get in. And I need better color screens. I don't know, whatever. It'll get the job done though, so it doesn't matter. I'm going to go purchase a nail polish because my toes are busted, crusted, and disgusted. Oh, the blood on my hand is from this little scar here. It always bleeds. I got burned when I was in 2nd grade and it has yet to heal. And I think that's because of where it is. Like I always brush it, and I'll be honest, I have a really bad habit of always picking at it. So I was sitting like, oh, that's so gross. I was sitting like this, so the blood from that is on my hands. I'm disgusting. Oh my God. But yeah, I wasn't picking it this time. This time it was because I was like leaning on it and stuff. So it was just weird. Whatever. I'm gonna go buy nail polish, and before I go, I'm gonna wash my hands and wipe the blood off my head.
Oh, please don't put that on.
I'm on my way to get nail polish. And these are the times that I wish that... Okay, wait, let me explain it like this. I went to driving school. My driving school was shutting down because of lack of business and lack of funds. So I could only do my classroom portions there. I couldn't do my behind the wheel classes, so I can't test for a license until I do my behind the wheel classes. But I'm gonna have to wait through my behind the wheel classes until I come back from going to see Paul in South Carolina. But for anyone who doesn't live in a state where you need driver's education to get a license, you have to go to driving school for 2 full weeks. 2 full weeks of driving school, Monday through Friday, for 2.5 to 3 hours. And then you have to do 6 hours of behind the wheel time that's separated in 3 behind the wheel class increments. So 2 hours at a time. Maryland is mad extra. Like, just give me my license and go. On Sundays, my family usually does Sunday dinner. So I'm going to go ahead and start to wind down. Wait for my mama to get home. Wait for my stepdad to finish cooking. And then have Sunday dinner with my family. I hope you guys... Oh, my nose freckles are out here flourishing. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I feel fantastic. Which one would you be though? It's fantastic cause the money like elastic. I very treasure go, you smoke oregano, I'm smoking on Nikkie. I'ma be real, you know, when I'm with my dick, cause she said too big of a mess. This, water that pussy like that. This, my sauce need to add. This, her pussy okay, it's story, so my dick, when I use it, I'm getting faster than fast, so be real, all you niggas.